Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on Roblox. It's a super convenient and secure way to purchase Robux and other in-game items. You can easily link your preferred payment methods to your Apple Wallet, making transactions quick and seamless. Millions of users enjoy the ease of this payment option for their digital purchases. Let's dive into how you can set it up and start using it today. Before you can use Apple Pay on Roblox, you'll need to set it up on your Apple device. Simply open the Wallet app and add your preferred credit or debit card. Make sure to enable Face ID or Touch ID for secure and swift authentication during purchases. Double-check that all your billing and shipping details are correct to avoid any issues. Once Apple Pay is set up, buying Robux is straightforward. Open the Roblox app and head to the Robux purchase area. Select the amount of Robux you want, perhaps 800 or 1,700 Robux. When prompted for payment, simply choose Apple Pay. Then, authenticate your purchase with a quick Face ID scan, Touch ID, or your device passcode to complete the transaction in seconds. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, ensure you have a strong internet connection and the Roblox app is updated to its newest version. Always check that your linked payment method has enough funds for your purchase. If problems persist, reach out to Roblox support or Apple support for assistance. Also, confirm that your specific device and region fully support Apple Pay for in-app transactions to ensure a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.